Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Embo minifigure. So without any further ado, let us begin. The arms and legs come from the Mandalorian or Din Djarin if you prefer. The waist cape comes from the 212th Airborne Trooper. The torso comes from this Ninjago pirate. The hands come from Clone Wars Yoda. The shoulder piece comes from the 5th brother. The head comes from a Chitauri soldier, and finally I just used one of these grey dishes as his hat. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now hopefully look like this. That was a bit of a long list of parts, so if you need a reference photo and some time to build it, I would pause here. This was requested by General Grievous in the comments of my second sister tutorial video, so I hope you like it and I hope everyone else does too. If you have any more video ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. Maybe check out my 1313 Boba Fett video if you haven't seen it already, because that would be a good one to watch after this. I will also put my playlist onto the end screen too.